If Rewarded Play gets stuck on the loading screen, the problem is usually caused by your internet connection, app data, an outdated version of the app, or temporary server issues rather than your phone itself. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest fixes to try, what causes the loading problem, and when the issue is probably outside your control. Here's the first thing to do: completely close Rewarded Play and reopen it. If the loading screen still doesn't disappear, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If one connection has trouble reaching the app's servers, the other may work immediately. Next, check whether you're running the latest version of Rewarded Play. Open your device's App Store, search for the app, and install any available update. App updates often fix loading bugs and compatibility problems. If the app is already updated, restart your phone. This clears temporary system processes that may be preventing the app from loading correctly. It's a simple step, but it often resolves temporary software issues. The next fix is clearing the app's cache. On Android, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, select Rewarded Play, open Storage, and choose On Clear Caching. If the problem continues, you can also clear the app's data, but remember that this may require you to sign in again, so make sure you know your account details first. You should also confirm that your internet connection is actually working. Open a website or another app that requires internet access. If those apps are also slow or won't load, the issue is probably your connection rather than Rewarded Play. If none of those steps work, the problem may be on Rewarded Play's side. Temporary server maintenance or technical issues can prevent the app from loading even when everything on your phone is working properly. In that situation, waiting and trying again later is often the only solution. If you've recently installed a VPN, or changed your network settings, temporarily disabling the VPN and reopening the app can also help determine whether the connection is causing the problem. The final option is uninstalling and reinstalling Rewarded Play. Before doing that, make sure your account is properly linked so you don't lose access to your existing progress. The key points are simple: restart the app, check your internet connection, update the app, clear the cache, and consider server issues if nothing else works. Your next step is to try these fixes in order, starting with the quickest ones, before moving on to reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you get Rewarded Play working again, like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, app tutorials, and reward app tips.